I hope it's going to be worth it. I've just made a detour of about 50 kilometers to get to this place that I've never been to in South Africa. Why am I going here? Well, we've had huge rains in the past 2 weeks and I need to see this place. So where am I on the way to? This place is called Rust de Winter. Rust de Winter stands for a place where the cattle used to come and rest, coming up from the high veld in the winter. What is this place I'm going to visit? Right, I'm going to a dam called Rust de Winter Dam, and I'm hoping to put the drone up and show you what it looks like over a 31-meter dam wall that the water is finally flowing over. Hello, Giraffe. Hello, boy. Hello. You're quite a tame one, eh? And then you have this giraffe that just walks alongside the fence with me. Here we go. There he is. Awesome. Another added little bonus. I don't know, I stopped there and then he just comes after me. And there I thought I wasn't going to have to pay. I think there's an office ahead. Right, so yeah, I'm at the gate and you have to pay to get in here. He just told me that the dam wall is under water affairs, so you can't get there. Apparently closed. Let me just look on the map and see how close I can get and then maybe send the drone over. As you can see from this footage, the dam wall does not overflow unless there are serious floods. But thankfully, as I put the drone high into the air, I noticed that there was a spillway on the left of the dam wall. And thanks to Gilbert. Hey, thanks Gilbert. Gilbert showed me where to go. We drove over the river, we drove towards the rapids, and I set the drone up again for these shots. Was it all worthwhile? Definitely so. Seen a new dam in South Africa, beautiful little area, mongoose crossing here, a giraffe, some cows, but most of all what I enjoyed was flying up the rapids into the dam Rust de Winter. There you have it, a new little piece of South Africa. What I call it is roadkill. Hit a new road, find a new way to get to places you've never seen before. I've never seen before. Goodbye.